Right, guys, we have this new airdrop that is social summer. It's called Cyber Connect. So the first thing that you have to do is go to my Web3 social score, connect your Twitter. If you have Farcaster, connect that. And if you have this one is Lens, I believe. Yeah, Lens profile. If you have it, you can connect it. If not, it's fine. Once that's done, you have summer task that you have to complete it. I'll show you how you can do that. Okay, the first one over here, which I have already minted, is once you're here, you have to put these puzzles. The first one is Pi protocol, the second one is creator, superchain, op stack, collectivist, and social, and then just click on mint and you're good to go. But before you do that, another important thing that you have to do is bridge some of your ETH to the Cyber network, which is like I have some Ethereum on Arbitrum 1. I transferred $2 worth Ethereum to Cyber network. Just switch network and bridge. It would be done. Once that's done, once you complete that, what do you call it? The interactive article, once that's minted, you can post this. So post on my own, you have to come here and click on post on, do it on your Twitter. Once you go ahead and post it, you have this what do you call this post, just copy it, completely copy it, and yeah, I'll tell you why you have to copy it. But once that's done, you can go back again and let me show you. This is a bit of a bug. Once you copy it and once you tweet it, you have that link. Just copy that link and post it over here. And the content that you copied, you can go and post it on your Farcaster. Once you cast it on Farcaster, you can copy that link as well and post it over here, and you just click on submit. And once that's done, all you have to do is mint this on this NFT. This is limited with only 50,000 mints. So right now it's around 17,000. You can go ahead and complete that. And once that's done, you will have new tasks that opens up every day. And I'll try to share every it shouldn't be that difficult. If there is a difficult task, I'll definitely make a post about it. But this is all about this new airdrop. I honestly have no idea how much you would get as a reward for participating in this. I'm just giving a try, and hopefully you guys can also give it a try if you want to. And that's it for today. This is the new task on the Binance Web3. If you guys like it, go ahead and do it. If not, it's fine. Totally up to you guys.